Good morning mga kapugtit! Welcome back again to our channel. For today's event, to be continued, 3rd month celebration ni Stella. So, gonna be exciting for today. It's gonna be her first time mapupunta siya ng aquarium.
Yay!
So, punta muna kami ng gas station, papagas ako, and then we're on our way to the aquarium. At kami, first time namin, so it's gonna be exciting. Say hi, bebe. Hi. See you guys there. Alright guys, we have arrived. Dito ko. Yung entrance time namin is 12:30. So malapit na, pero maaga pa naman kami. Stella gonna see a lot of color blue. Na kami sa Welcome Overlook Walk. Daming tao pag Sunday, family day, ang dami mga bata. Bebe, tignan mo yung mga mountains doon na may snow na. Snow na ulit. I think today also my game. Parang walang daan dyan.
Ayun yung waterfront.
Yun na yung aquarium. Pupuntahan namin. Mahaba pala siya. One more elevator. So, waterfront. Siya to aquarium elevator. Tapos ito yung view dito sa pier. Wow. So, pila muna kami guys. Pila ang elevator. Ano? Ba't lumalaki lang ma? Ha? Ba't lumalaki lang ma? Ha? Ang ganda naman ng mata ng bagong gising. Wow, beautiful eyes. Alright, dito na kami sa aquarium.
For a while, sharing some of our favorite facts and stories. And we would love to know if anyone has any questions for us. If there's an animal that you noticed,
Where are you?
slowing down, getting some
First time ni Stella makitang scuba diver tsaka maraming fish. Yun.
vet team who is able to help. It's a little scary for the fish when a big scuba diver comes to catch them and catch them up and take them to the.
What's that? Fish? Niluluto ni Daddy yan. Fish? Sinigang. Paksiw.
Tingnan mo yung reaction niya. Wow!
Look, there's scuba diver inside. Thank you. Nothing much going on over here. Nice fish. Tsaka mga sea urchin, no? Tingnan mo. Wow, neon. Ay, hindi yata sea urchin. Toddler.
Stella!
Yun yung galunggong, oh.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ay, yung galunggong. Yung galunggong, oh.
On the edge while the outer closed.
Yeah. There is a... Tingnan niyo yung waterfalls.
Ooh, this one. Mama, look at this one.
Okay, pasok naman kami sa Pier 60. Be, may challenge ako. Hanapin mo may mga bird.
Okay, look at that. It's satisfying. Look, bird. Look, bird. Bird.
Dilat na dilat eh. Ano nangyari? Ano mga Oh, yung bird nagsiswimming. Ang galing lumangoy yung bird.
What can you say? What can you say, Stella?
Oh my god, too many birds.
Gumalang yung ibon, no? Stella, look!
Kailangan pa mag-bend. Bend tayo.
See the top thing? Wow! That's like
Sinigang salmo.
Stella, that's my favorite. Sinigang.
Salmo. Hindi dito.
video.
What's that? Wow. Juvenile rockfish.
Tingin sa akin.
I see a pickleback.
Into abalone.
Abalone.
Abalone. Stella, abalone. Into abalone. Into abalone. Yung mga nakadikit.
Stella.
Gusto nakatayo. Reklamo, gusto nakatayo.
Wow.
Hey, Dad.
Ang laki. Huh? Kumakain ng shells. Tahong.
Shells?
Oo, kumakain ng tahong.
Ay! May ano din siya.
Nag-roll, oh. Ang lambot ng katawan.
Nakatingin si Stella.
Stella? Siyota! Wow! Waterfall. Ito yung reaction ni Stella. Gift shop. Oh. Wow. Ang dami mga damit. Tsaka mga headgear. Cute mga headgear. Wow.
Stella, look. Stella. Nag-smile siya. Ay, look ulit.
Open game. Open game.
Stella. Uy. Ay, Suzy. Ay, Suzy. Ay, Suzy.
Sabi ko, ang daming laruan Stella kaso hindi pa pwede sa'yo. Hindi mo pa alam kung anong gagawin. Alright guys, sok pa naman kami sa Ocean Pavilion.
Hindi naman mawawala yun. No?
Wala naman. Doon na nakapark yung ano namin, stroller ni Stella. Si Mami naman ang magbubuhat kay Stella dito sa Ocean Pavilion. Oh, Stella! Wow!
Nakatingin siya. No?
Nakatingin ka. Wow!
Picture Actually, kahit pala nakaupo siya, makikita naman niya.
Oo. Stella, tingin ulit. Inaantok ko.
Kaya kung pag nasa stroller to,
Baby Stella. Lionfish and scorpion fish.
I think whale. I'm trying to speak.
Yeah, aren't you learning whale for your play that you're doing?
Why? What?
Do they speak whale in that, or is that the other one? I think that's the.
what's that?
That's Navy.
Stella! Fish oh! Wow! Nemo.
They're like chilling in the
Dory right there.
That's what they do. They like look.
More fish. It's feeding time, Stella. Wow. Oh, knockdown yung isa sa amin. Knockdown, girl. Guys, dito na ang pagkatapos ng aming adventure today dito sa Seattle Aquarium. First time ni Stella, tulog na siya, knockout. So, yeah. So, lagpas lunch na kami. So, kakain na kami. So, yay! See you guys! Hi guys, dito kami ulit sa Pike's Place. At kakain ulit kami ng pierogi. Ano to?
Bacon and egg.
Bacon and egg. Bacon and egg. Tapos ano tong isa, babe?
Chocolate something.
Chocolate something. Okay. Sa Pike's Place kami ulit guys. Kain-kain lang sa gilid, food trip. Ito na yung namin, lunch namin. Guys, try naman natin ang chocolate hazelnut bread galing sa pierogi. Let's give it a try. Dessert. Good. Good. Okay guys, nakapila na naman kami dito for the
Cultured ice cream.
Cultured Creamery Hellenica doon. Ayun o, zoom pa natin. Hellenica. So, for dessert, yeah, ice cream. Ice cream kami guys. Medyo mahaba pila. Medyo sumisikat na siya. So, konting antay lang. So guys, we got a split ice cream, ube coconut, and honey macadamia for me. So that's how it looks like inside. Whoopee! Lamon na.
Kita ko paano ginagawa.
Tapos na ang aming celebration ng 3-month ni Stella. So, hope you guys enjoy. This is all for fun. And join us again to our next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, mga kapugpit.